Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video is a little different. It's different from our normal woodworking videos because I wanted to share with you, if you haven't heard yet, we just launched our Patreon page. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I want to thank you all for supporting this channel, the GoodView Woodworks channel. We started a Patreon page because, as you guys know, it does take some money to run a YouTube channel, especially an epoxy and woodworking channel. And if you guys are familiar with epoxy, you know that it's expensive. And so guys, first of all, before I get into any of that, I just want to thank you all for supporting this channel. If it wasn't for ultimately God, but with this YouTube channel and with the help and support of all of you, we were able to move quickly through the adoption process. We were able to go through the whole process and adopt our little baby girl.
Esther, what are you doing, baby girl? Yeah. Hi.
And I want to say thank you to God ultimately, but also to you all for your support. And things probably would have been a little different in the adoption process if you guys weren't supporting this channel. So I want to thank you all so much. And the reason why we started a Patreon page is obviously it takes a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of money to build these projects. Yes, some of these projects we have customers who order stuff, but a lot of it is ultimately to teach and to share and to entertain you guys. So if you guys feel like you want to support GoodView Woodworks community, I want you guys to head over to patreon.com/GoodViewWoodworks. Now we have 4 tiers there, and I'm going to let you guys read about those tiers. Each tier has something different that I'm offering you in return to support the channel. We have some really cool things there, with the biggest one being that we can do a one-on-one consultation if you'd like. We already have a few patrons, and I want to thank those patrons specifically for supporting the channel and being the first ones up to support us. You guys are awesome, and once again, thank you, not only for hanging out, but also supporting this channel. Obviously on Patreon it'll be a little different. We're going to share a few things. We're going to share some things that we won't be sharing on YouTube, that we will be sharing on Patreon. We'll probably go a little bit more personal into our personal lives. So if you guys care about that kind of stuff, go over to patreon.com and support us. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting. You rock. And I always sign out with thanks for hanging out with us, but I want to sign out with this one. Thanks for supporting us. I'll catch you on the next one.